you're watching Fiji Today. Government has put in place a number of strategies to address the rising fuel bill imports. While opening a two-day workshop on minimum energy performance standards and labelling program at Tanoa Plaza, the Permanent Secretary for Works, Commander Francis Keane, says the need to promote energy conservation and efficiency in all sectors of the economy is vital.
Commander Keane revealed that approximately 50% of the domestic electricity consumption was due to usage of freezers and refrigerators. The Minimum Energy Performance Standards and Labelling, or MEPSL program, with its 5-year roadmap, intends to focus on appliances such as freezers and refrigerators. Director of Energy Adi Cakobau says in 2005, the Department of Energy had obtained in principle endorsement to Cabinet on the adoption of the MEPSL in Fiji. MEPSL will establish standards for energy performance that products must meet requirements before they can be sold to consumers.
Minimum Energy Performance Standards is basically an energy efficiency initiative whereby products are displayed with the energy consumption. That is to provide customers with a choice, or to actually look at the costs in which they will incur when buying those appliances.
Cakobau added Fiji has adopted the Australian and New Zealand standards of electrical appliances. The MEPSL program will now be mandatory effective from the 1st of January 2012. The Fiji Revenue and Customs Authority will assist the Department of Energy with the border control and the monitoring of compliances to the standards.
With these minimum energy performance standards on freezers and refrigerators in Fiji, we will be controlling the importation of these goods at the border. Having said that, basically when the goods come into the borders, they will be verified by inspectors that will be there to actually adhere to those Australian and New Zealand standards, that the current prevailing standards on freezers and refrigerators.
The implementation of the MEPLS program will enhance the reduction in electricity consumption and subsequently reduce our imported diesel fuel to meet Fiji's electricity demand.
Fiji Bus Operators are happy with the new initiative implemented by government on e-ticketing. The new system is going to help capture millions of dollars.
Since the bus industry in Fiji currently serves over 65% of the travelling population, Commodore Bainimarama said it is one of the most vital arms of the public transportation industry.
I wish to acknowledge and thank the Fiji Bus Operators Association for working with government in improving the public transportation system. The collaboration was cemented through the agreement between government and the Fiji Bus Association, which will be in place for 3 years.
Fiji Bus Operators Association Richard Lal said they are grateful for the work done by government towards assisting the citizens.
Going forward, as the PM has said, that 2012 is when we're trying to launch this at large, traveling public at large. Again, there is an evaluation that people are using, and he commented that there is loss to the industry in revenue. That's what we're trying to plug. But we're also trying to ensure that we do not exceed the cost in doing it against what the losses are, right? So at the moment there is dialogue going through Ministry of Transport with TFL, who are the service providers, in trying to do a cost-benefit analysis in ensuring that there is benefit to the industry.
The Fiji Bus Operators Association is also working with LTA to increase safety compliance. Prime Minister said the e-ticketing is similar to the new fare agreement between government and taxi operators.
Prime Minister Commodore Bainimarama has granted a request made by Adi Cakobau School on his first visit yesterday. This was confirmed by the chairman of ACS Board Committee, Dr. Akanisi Kenreyati.
Today is a milestone for Adi Cakobau School because it's the first time that the Prime Minister of Fiji has visited the school, and we are so honored of his visit to launch the e-ticketing in Fiji, and Adi Cakobau School has been chosen.
Adi Cakobau School is a state-run institution founded in 1948 as a boarding school to provide a refined intermediate education for Fijian girls of rank. Today it has 320 day scholars and 380 boarders, which consist not only of Itoke students but also the different ethnic groups. The visit made by Prime Minister to the school was also a blessing in disguise.
You know, we are so grateful that the Prime Minister has readily mobilized his men, these engineers, to try and come during the holiday and do the work that is needed at the school. And I'm sure all the parents of Adi Cakobau School, the principal, the staff, the board members and the stakeholders of Adi Cakobau will be pleased to know that the Prime Minister of Fiji has come in to help with our much needed renovations and our evolution block and the other repair that needs to be done at the school.
The school is located at Rotha Maisala Road, next to Sawani Village in the province of Naitasiri.
Join us again after the break.